Sri Gurupya Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard maths state board, chapter 10, differential equation, exercise 10.6. Solve the following differential equation by homogeneous method. Fourth sum, 2xy into dx power 2, 2xy into dx plus x square plus 2y square into dy equal to 0. So, x square plus 2y square into dy equal to minus 2xy into dx, minus 2xy into dx, dy by dx equal to minus 2xy by x square plus 2y square. See the power, both are equal, both numerator and denominator powers are equal. So, we can apply the homogeneous equation because this is a homogeneous equation. So, we can apply the homogeneous equation method. But see, dy by dx, when we reciprocal, it is easy to do the sum. See here, dx by dy equal to, dx by dy equal to x square plus 2y square by 2xy, x square plus 2y square minus of x square minus of x square plus 2y square by 2xy. It is easy to do the sum because the numerator contains x square plus 2y square. So, you can take it as put x equal to Vy, put x equal to Vy, differentiate with respect to y, differentiate with respect to y. So, x become dx by dy equal to, both are function, v and y both are function, v into y become 1 plus y into dv by dy, dv by dy. So, you can apply that dx by dy value in equation 1, v plus y into dv by dy, dv by dy equal to minus of x square. What is the value of x? Vy, vy the whole square, vy the whole square plus 2y square by vy the whole square plus 2y square plus 2y square by 2 into vy into y, 2 into vy into y. So, v plus y into dv by dy equal to minus of v square y square, v square y square plus 2y square plus 2y square by 2y square by 2vy square, 2vy square, v plus y into dv by dy equal to minus y square, you can take it out. What is the remaining value left out here? V square plus 2, v square plus 2 by, v square plus 2 by 2v y square, y square get cancelled. So, v plus y into dv by dy equal to minus of v square plus 2, v square plus 2 by 2v, v square plus 2 by 2v. So, v plus y into dv by dy equal to minus v square minus 2, minus v square minus 2 by 2v, minus v square minus 2 by 2v. So, you bring this v to the right hand side. See here, y into dv by dy equal to minus v square minus 2 by 2v minus v. So y into dv by dy equal to minus v square minus 2, you can take it as 2v as the LCM, minus 2v square by 2v, minus 2v square by 2v. See, y into dv by dy equal to minus v square minus 2v square minus 3v square minus 2 by 2v by 2v. Y into dv by dy equal to minus, you can take it out. So 3v square plus 2 by 2v by variable separable method, 2v by 3v square plus 2 into dv, 3v square plus 2 into dv equal to minus dy by y. See, integrating on both the sides, 2v by integral 2v by 3v square plus 2 into dv equal to minus integral dy by y. You see the denominator, whenever v square comes, you can see the numerator, that v value, you check the denominator. What is the differentiation of 3v square? 3v square equal to 6v. Differentiation of 2 is 0. But here, what is missing? 6 is missing. So, you can multiply and divide by 3, or otherwise you can take it as what? 3v square plus 2 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to v on both the sides. What is the value we are getting? 6v. 6v, this is 0. dv equal to dt. v dv equal to 1 by 3 1 by 6 dt. v dv equal to 1 by 6 dt. See, differentiation with respect to v, we are doing 6v into dv. 6v into dv equal to dt. Because 2 is constant, it becomes 0. v dv equal to 1 by 6 dt. You can take that value, 2 is constant, you can take it out. v dv by 3v square plus 2, 3v square plus 2 equal to minus dy by y, integral dy by y. If you know, you will do it straight away, because what is the differentiation of 3v square? 6v. 6v, that is 2v in the numerator, you can multiply and divide by 3. See here, 2 into integral, what is v dv? 1 by 6 into dt. 1 by 6 into dt by t equal to minus integral dy by y, minus integral dy by y. See here, 2 by 6 into integral dt by t equal to minus integral dy by y. So, 1 by 3 integral dt by t equal to minus integral dy by y. 1 by 3 into log of mod t. Log of mod t equal to minus log of mod y plus log of mod c, plus log of mod c, plus log of mod c. What is the value of t there? 1 by 3 into log of, you replace that value, t by 3v square plus t plus 2, 3v square plus 2 equal to minus log of mod y plus log of mod c, log of mod y plus log of mod c. See here, 1 by 3 log of modulus of 1 by 3 log of modulus of 3v square plus 2 equal to log m minus log n. Log m minus log n equal to log m by n. So, log of modulus of c by y, log of modulus of c by y, log m minus log n. So, log of modulus of c by y. See, log of modulus of 3v square plus 2 equal to 3 into, you bring the t3 to the right hand side, 3 into log of c by y, log of c by y, log of modulus of 3v square plus 2 equal to, according to the power rule you can bring it to the power. So, log of modulus of c by y the whole cube, taking anti-log on both the sides, taking anti-log on both the sides. So, 3v square plus 2 equal to, 3v square plus 2 equal to c by y the whole cube, c by y the whole cube. What is the value of v here? V equal to x by y, v equal, because x equal to vy, v equal to x by y, v equal to x by y. So, 3 into x by y the whole square plus 2 equal to c cube by y cube, c cube by y cube. See, 3 into x square by y square plus 2 equal to c cube by y cube. You can take the LCM as y square, 3x square plus 2 y square by y square equal to c cube by y cube. Get cancel. What is the value there? Y into 3x square, you can do the cross multiplication, y into 3x square plus 2y square equal to c cube. So, 3x square y plus 2y cube equal to c cube. Here c cube is the arbitrary constant. So, you can take it as c cube equal to c. It is a constant. It is a constant. So, you can take the value c cube equal to c. So, you will write it as 3x square into y plus 2y cube equal to c. 2y cube equal to c is the required differential equation, is the required differential equation. C cube value you can take it as c because of arbitrary constant. So, what is the final value? 3x square y plus 2y cube equal to c is the required differential equation. See here, see this is a differential homogeneous equation. So, you can bring it into a form, dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to y square minus 2xy, y square minus 2xy by x square minus 2xy, y square minus 2xy by x square minus 2xy. See the degree, this is a homogeneous equation. Put y equal to vx, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, y become dy by dx equal to, already we have done vu product rule method. So, v into 1, v plus x into dv by dx. So, you replaced this equation 1 by, you replaced this equation 1 by v plus x into dv by dx, v plus x into dv by dx equal to y square, you replaced by vx the whole square minus 2x into vx by, minus 2x into vx by x square minus 2x vx, minus 2x Vx, v plus x into dv by dx equal to v square x square minus 2v x square by x square minus 2v x square minus 2v x square. So, v plus x into dv by dx equal to x square, you can take it out, v square minus 2v by x square into 1 minus 2v x square get cancel, x square get cancel. So, v plus x into dv by dx equal to v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v. You bring this v to the right hand side, x into dv by dx equal to v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v minus v. So, x into dv by dx equal to v square minus 2v minus v into, you can take it as 1 minus 2v as the LCM, 1 minus 2v by 1 minus 2v, 1 minus 2v by 1 minus 2v. So, x into dv by dx, x into dv by dx equal to, x into dv by dx equal to v square minus 2v minus v plus 2v square, v square minus 2v, you bring this minus v inside, minus v plus 2v square by 1 minus 2v, 1 minus 2v. So, x into dv by dx equal to, x into dv by dx equal to 3v square, 3v square minus 3v, 3v square minus 3v by 1 minus 2v, 3v square minus 3v by 1 minus 2v, x into dv by dx, x into dv by dx equal to 3, you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining value? V square minus v by 1 minus 2v, v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v by variable separable method. See, by variable separable method, 1 minus 2v by v square minus v into dv, v square minus v into dv equal to 3 into dx by x, 3 into dx by x, integrating on both the sides, integrating on both the sides. See, what is the differentiation of v square? 2v, v differentiation is 1, but the sign is changing, so we can apply the partial fraction. See here, what is the differentiation of v square? 2v. What is the differentiation of v? 1, but the sign is changed, so you can multiply minus on both the sides, minus integral 1 minus 2v by v square minus v into dv equal to minus 3 into integral dx by x. You bring this minus inside, what is the value? Integral minus into minus plus 2v, minus into minus plus 2v minus 1 by v square minus v into dv equal to minus 3 into integral dx by x, integral dx by x. See, what is the differentiation of v square? 2v. Differentiation of minus v is minus 1. you can check the denominator. You differentiate the denominator, you can get the value of the numerator. See here, differentiation of v square is 2v, minus v is minus 1, or otherwise you can take it as some other variable, v square minus v equal to t. You can differentiate with respect to t, with respect to x also you can do it. See here, so log of, because v square differentiation is 2v and minus v differentiation is minus 1, log of modulus of v square minus v, log of modulus of v square minus v equal to minus 3 log of mod x plus log of mod c, log x mod x plus mod c. So log of modulus of v square minus v equal to, according to the power rule you can bring that 3 there, so minus into log of mod x cube plus log of mod c, log of mod c, log of modulus of v square minus v equal to log m minus log n, log m minus log n equal to log m by n, log of modulus of c by x cube, c by x cube, log m by n, taking anti-log on both the sides, taking anti-log on both the sides, log m, because this is plus value, that is minus, log m minus log n. If you want you can arrange it in a properly and write the way. See, taking anti-log on both the sides, taking anti-log on both the sides, log of v square modulo v square minus v equal to c by x cube, v square minus v equal to c by x cube. What is the value of v? We kept y equal to vx, v equal to y by x. So y by x the whole square minus y by x, y by x the whole square minus y by x equal to c by x cube. So y square minus x square minus y by x equal to c by x cube, c by x cube, taking LCM as x square. See here, x square, y square minus xy equal to c by x cube. You cancel the value, you can bring that x to the side, x into y square, x into y square minus xy, y square minus xy equal to c, x into y square minus xy equal to c, y square x minus x square y equal to c, y square x minus x square y equal to c is the required differential equation, is the required differential equation, is the required differential equation. See, I hope you enjoyed, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.